Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. One of the problems most people run into is when they try to move the character's leg. It usually works fine, but sometimes it bends backwards, which is a bug that needs fixing. Just like what you're seeing right now in the video, the leg bends the wrong way. So how do we fix this? Before I explain the video and drop a comment so we can get into the tutorial. If you ever run into this problem, the first thing you should do is fix the angles of the bones you already made. For example, I'm going to move this bone a bit back and rotate it slightly forward, just like how a real leg bends forward. Then I move the shin bone backward so the bend looks natural. After that, we adjust the rest of the bones to match these changes. Now that we've fixed the bone positions, let's test it. As you can see in the video, it's moving smoothly without any problems. Now we just need to do the same thing for the other leg. Alright, as you can see with this simple trick, the movement problem for both legs is fixed. Now our character is ready to run. In the next video, we're going to simulate the running together, so make sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss the next video.